Hi, I'm Michael with Bike Friday, and in this video we're going to be looking at the console view options on the mid-drive motor e-assist system for the Bike Friday Holiday and Tandems. So taking a look at the console here, first we're going to turn it on just by tapping the power button once. It'll take a moment to start up, and upon startup it's always going to be in one level of assist. That's economy mode. So you'll have a barely perceptible assist from the mid-drive motor. We start hitting the plus button, we go up to proportionally more power from the motor when you push on the cranks. So it's a torque assist, all the way up to turbo mode, where the motor really jumps when you push on the pedals. We can also hit the minus button back down to off, where it's just a regular bike with no assistance from the motor. So you're able to fine-tune how much battery power you're using and how much power you truly need at any point during a ride. So it's always going to show miles per hour while you're riding. We can also cycle through and see total odometer, trip mileage, average speed for a trip, and ride time during a trip. And once you've had the system booted up, we can hold down the I button for a number of seconds to reset those displays. At any point you can hit the power button, just tap once to turn on the backlight, tap it again to turn it off, and then to power off the system, hold down the power button. So that's it. Thanks for watching.